What are we going to be doing here? I'm going to be showing you how to create an hyperlink using your word processor. Okay, let's say we were typing something on a word processor rather, and we want to hyperlink a text, sort of like a website on the written document. So let's say the website we want to hyperlink it's actually Google's official page, as in google.com, and then you want to say click here to go to the site. Okay, I want to say click here to go to the site. So what you need to do is that for you to insert a hyperlink of this word here, or you just want to you just highlight the word you want to hyperlink. You just click here, you highlight it. For it to highlight, you just move your cursor right to the place, either the beginning or the end of the word you want to highlight. Then you left click and drag it. Can you see now it's selected? So now you come to insert right here, you click on insert, and then you click on the hyperlink here. Can you see hyperlink here? You click on hyperlink. So here's the word that's going to show there that we highlighted, we selected. Here's the word, click here. So here is going to be the box where you get to insert the URL of the link you want to hide. The link to the website you want to redirect it to. So we used Google as an example, so we're going to insert Google's URL here. I'm going to say http. Okay, it's already here already. Can you see now? Google.com http. Always remember to start with http. You can't just start with www. You must start with http. So here's the URL, and then we click OK. Can you see now it automatically changes to blue, and there's a line there, so it's automatically highlighted now. Can you see now? Can you see when you just hover it around, you get to see the hyperlink there? So here's one way for you to hyperlink a text. Or if you don't want it that way, you just want it to show. If you don't want to get to hide the link itself, you can still just input it there. You say http and dash www.google.com. okay, let's say you just want it to appear like this. You don't want to cloak it this way, so you just like I told you before, you left click and then you select, drag it, you go back to a hyperlink again, click on it. Can you see it's here? Because we don't want to hide it. If you want to hide it rather, you just highlight it, get to insert the text you want to put in there, but we don't want to highlight it, so you click on OK. Can you see it's automatically turned to blue, and then it's also underlined, so it's already, when you click on it now, it's going to take you to Google official page. So the other method is how to insert an hyperlink in your HTML documents. So here is how you do it in HTML document. It's kind of different. You have to use a specific code which is displayed here. So the code you need to use for it to insert an hyperlink on a HTML document. So first thing you need to do is using Google as an example. This place here, this URL is where you go to insert your URL. So you're going to highlight that and you put in there. Always remember your URL must start with HTTP. So HTTP www.google.com google.com, and then the link text here, we're going to highlight it and put in the link we want to cloak this with. Let's say click here. So that's just it. When you get to copy this and insert it on your HTML document, and then you see it cloaked. So basically this is how you get to hyperlink your so you get to hyperlink a website URL, get to insert an hyperlink on an HTML document and also on a word processor.